What's up guys, welcome back. We have not drawn Zoro in a while, so I found this cool one, like a cyberpunk kind of style, one of them in a leather jacket. So let's draw this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm going to start with his eyebrows. So very frowning, angry Zoro. And then they always kind of spike back this way. Put a little frowning line there as well. So the other eyebrow goes the other way. Right, so then we have the closed eye. So just under the eyebrow, and then down and up. It spikes back there, and you can like make it a bit of a heavier line, like a bit thicker, just to make it look more like eyelashes. And then there's like an eyelid line on top of that. And of course his scar, so it's normally done just with like one line. Then we'll go over and do the open eye. So we'll go diagonal across the top. And your distance between the eyes is about an eye, just so you know. If you're wondering how far to go over, an eye width. Then we go down. And back in. And then he's just like looking up. So just a half circle. And then his pupil just there. And then we get an eyelid line under the eyebrows, just coming out that way. A couple of wrinkles in there. So his nose just comes down. Like that, and then a nostril either side of that. And then a real flat mouth. And then his bottom lip coming across there. And then a real square chin. So his jaw then, up the side. And then we'll change our direction, just about in line with the nose, and you go up the side of his head. Then we get his ear. Full ear on this side because there's no earrings. But on this side we have 3 3 of those golden earrings that he has. And ear lines inside here. And then his hair. So he's got like long sideburns, right? So just on the side of his head. We go in to the side. And he's got a couple of zigzag sort of hairline going in there, and then his fringe comes off. There's like some hair spikes here. And then all the green hair spikes that come around his head. Short green hair. Okay, so we get wide neck. And down in the middle. Neck muscles there. And like center of his chest is like here. And then this jacket of his, so like comes down from around the back of his neck, down his chest. And his arms are kind of folded across here. So we can just see like his chest muscles there, and then he has that big scar. Might be like some abs sort of there a bit. So we give him a jacket collar. It's like a big one sort of sticking out here. And this just like is like a zipper line. There's like a couple of buttons on it. Same on the other side, pretty much. Right. So his shoulder then, so we got like this sort of jacket lapel sort of thing on the side. And then his shoulder bumps down here. He's got that bandana tied on his arm. Okay, and this comes down to his elbow, which comes around. Sleeves, so his arms are folded over, right? So he's one arm going in there, coming down, the other arm out here, and we got the sword as well. This is his sleeve, like his wristband sort of sleeve. And then we go. There's like a whole hand here, but we can just see the forearm of this one. It's like his wrists just sort of going down behind there. And then we can see his green waistband. You can see a little bit of that here as well, just underneath this. It's like some folding lines and stuff here. So you could do if you don't like drawn hands, you kind of finish maybe the arm just tucked in underneath there, but usually when an arm is folded, you do see it. So we'll go up, change direction for the knuckle, change it again, like that. And then we get his next finger. Like fingernails and stuff. And then we can see two of his swords, so we can see sort of like the base of it here. And then this goes up. And then we have the hilt. And then like some of those diamond patterns that are on the handles of swords. Japanese katanas. I think we can see another little one on just sitting on his waist here, so I might as well just do it while I'm. So just the handle of it, really. Boom. Zoro from One Piece. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.